maka asemu na mesa ka biem se Galamsey ye de ye politics a ye be di ye dokun kwan ye be nu ye hu dachi asemu emi kan ye say the president should give command shoot to kill
do ye Galamsey ni no hu soja ni na police ni wo site no hu na bonitoku no so ba na sumdwe mu so ba na mansu mu hu na to ben wa bonitoku no
NDC MPP I charge you ye nyan kwasia politics no ye make sure say we fix this problem. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Galamsey. Subscribe, share. We need 2 man now on Sakabi. The Galamsey fights. Because what it be threaten the very fiber of Ghana's existence. Me can bro for now on Tiasia. Say me ne wo etin kwam a danger to us. Galamsey, I say to us here. Jimmy Sam. Ene ye nyina ya fedam pare. Ai una antimi kamede metimi aka ya fe no because he was one man who put fear into people positively because sawunya de boni a onam ho so but aboniyefo no omu dwane ko e look at the violence in Ghana na enkwasiade ekoso no guy bia na nim se amakuo wafa camera si na nim na o kan kwasiasem Ghana police mo kwache no yetie mra
sawo manso ne man temu no ye Galamsey ni that's money that's all who soja ni alasa police no site no wo to abon to ku no be say no ye Galamsey ni no who soja ni alasa police no site no hu na bon to ku no so ba na sumdwe mu so ba na mansu mu hu na to ben wa bon to ku no ade northern region area bi that man go side o baby Umoko site operation we call so na nsane ni anajo umoko ye boys o mochi o nyina o hwe petrol go mu traja to omum video bi ama ba nkrofo bi nya video no bi send the platform no ade boni ben say ya to ni ble so wa site na soja ni anas police ni ba na to be o sika na ba o batumi atwetwa no ko no enko ba bia so mo so yo ma so mo bo bakun ye na etie ba bi ye tie bu hye nim de hotel na wo offering cry kuma se aba aba wuram se woni ye ba bakun dia ye so nim bakun o hia soja ni police ni o site abon to kun o straight up because we must start to try to grow from dia o se so ni ble o ba manso a buy company bi ani manso apart from school how many teachers for apart from fire service office how many fire service personnel and I said fire service for and as a district assembly hono kakra na o manso kwanta ni area bi no asa abai factory bi ani manso 4 year juma afọ so create o mojuma no na mo tata wo mo look at this and you are expecting say so ya abai juma ni na so ana so ya soja na so ya security personnel na pass site yen krokro
basa maka asemu na mesa ka biem se Galamsey ye de ye politics a ye be di ye dokun kwan ye be nu ye hu dachi bi asemu emi kan ye say the president should give command shoot to kill. People were not supporting me. When we then Yomoka, look where I am. Your friend is in Nigeria. That is how it started. Say Galamsey for no one munye sika no one feel threatened. What do they buy? Arms. Auto arms where they start becoming what? Rebels. And then should you see because of politics they've been emboldened. Their mom to me said, "Munko sense asano." In the name of politics. NDC MPP, I charge you. Yenyan kwasia politics, no. You make sure so we fix this problem. Commander in Chief, me papa John Mahama, me pacho, I am on my knees. Fix this problem. Shall obey you bold enough to come and talk this trash. And he's walking around free. Boy, we are trying to say, put it to any kuno. God, Jimmy for say he doesn't need to exist in Ghana. Or inciting people to go and kill our soldiers, the military, the police, people that have omodu kwatu say ye be bogana kwase be say wase ye nkuomo. The politicians inti wase ye nkuomo. He's working on, he's bold enough. This this man munya na mama man survive ye twitwa ne nan ye twitwa ne to ho ye twitwa na no ho ye twitwa ne baby no hu nyansa hwe say yamma yesu jafo no to me to deal with this issue na ye the politics aye juma me say we are raising rebels in Ghana. You might not like what I'm saying, but that is the truth. Se kwasie say etimi nya to me na ofesia. But maybe try another video and you may show. What I mean now, let's go. So you must show. Who are only Galamsey? You small police force. Munka stopping. How many police for to talk? For instance, someone will give me MPP time. Must say MPP for na ya. Because I know she can say any for na ya na. And in England, like Jimmy, because any about party politics. It's about the survival of Ghana. And I say this with passionate appeal to the presidency. Me patrol, whoever is involved, the campaigns, bring them down. Omo wu ya and ne yesio mo no. Masa, omo blood and sutreme e catch them say men can't say you mama say they died for a cause and make sure that cause is what eradicated. My youth wait. What sense is no more so? We should put fear to people so that they can confront the military, especially the military. Only our last resort of defense. See a man kwasi afo say, "Eti mini military for kasa even anyhow." And I still me blame the politicians. Me kaya to aba. Na NDC guy be e janoni military to that people well bomb us. So Jimmy. This is the beginning. I didn't know no. A swabber is a channel. I didn't know ye anymore. But you be just swabber. President Mama, be up and moving. The battle. Me mouth. This one personal appeal. Shoot to kill. Catch a soldier for no. They should go to the bush. Who so did not find one. Tama, near Kum. What's as Okuma? They will stop. Man, just shoot to kill away. The next one that will come to the Jubilee House. And where to a wise is enough. Ghana needs you and me. Me ne wa you didn't way. You and me and Peja Ghana. And feel baby a one. You find out see you not the BIA politics are. You didn't be wase. It's the only country I have. I don't know about you. I expose you to FM share. You 2 man outside.